What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to subscribe if we vibe. We're out here in Sanibel this morning. It is windy as shit. It's gonna be bad today. It's gonna be pretty rough. But yeah, we have been fishing, but I ain't caught nothing. So I ain't had no video to give you guys. So we're out here today. We're sending it. Hopefully we get on some good fish. Get at you right now with the action. Well, guys, I am on a hurt trolling motor today because I have the replacement sitting at my house, and was like, oh, it's gonna be rough tomorrow. Let me just keep the old one on there for one more trip, and we'll change it after this trip. But guess what? That one's giving me mad problems right now. So kind of screwy, but we're still gonna see what happens today. Luckily, I did grab some shrimp, so if we got to, we just post up in some places. Outside's still going out, huh? What do I got this time? Another grouper? Yeah, another little tiny guy. Tiny guy. Little tiny guy. There's a snapper on that little grouper. There's a bunch of these little guys over here. It's not what I want. It's not what I want. Give me Mr. Redfish. Where's Mr. Redfish? Damn, he got me in something. That's a better grouper right there. He got me in the oh, he got somebody recently. That's what it is. Check this out, guys. There's some shit down there. Look, he tried to get me all up in somebody else's line here, and we pulled it out. Look at that, guys. That was all over my hook right there. Well, guys, we got it out of there finally. A little grouper right there, and he's off. You know, I saw this video online of this guy catching sheepshead with nightcrawlers. So I brought some nightcrawlers with me today, guys, and I think I'm gonna give this a little shot here. It's something good. It's something good. Nice sheepshead. Hell yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Nice sheepshead right here, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah, baby. Yes, sir. That's what we're after today, baby. Check that one out, guys. Nice sheepshead right there. Fold your tail out. He doesn't want to fold his tail out. There we go. Nice sheepshead right there, guys. I don't think he's going to be quite a keeper for me. I only keep them if they're close to 16, because anything less than that, you really don't get a lot of meat off of these guys. So we're gonna see where he's at here. Yeah, no, I only keep them in if they're about I mean, he's 16 with a pinch, or 15 with a pinched tail. We'll see if we can catch something a little bigger. Another one. Another one. Little guy. Eat it. Little guy. Little guy. That's a better one. That's a grouper. That would be a grouper. That would be a grouper. Well, they're definitely over there now. So let's see if they'll eat a worm. Put a whole worm on there. Most of the worm. Let's see if they'll eat a worm. Holy shit. I got something good here, guys. They got a red right now. No, it's a big sheep. Big sheep on the freaking worm, guys. On the freaking worm right here. That's a keeper one. That's the one we want right there. Woo! Hell yeah, baby. On the freaking nightcrawler. On the nightcrawler. No freaking shot, dude. He hammered it too. Dude, no way. All right, whoever you are, guy, you just watched last night. I mean, I've seen it a couple times. I've seen that video a couple times. But dude, I didn't think it was gonna be like that. Holy shit. All right, easy, 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 easy. I mean, he's got that thing in there, dude. I had to bend it to get it out. I'm gonna have to get a new hook now. That's what I'm talking about, though. Hell yeah, baby. Got him. Watched him come up and eat it. This little shithead. Oh, he almost just got me hooked. Come here, buddy. Shh. Little buddy, shh. Stop. I watched him come up and eat it. I watched him come up and eat it. Tiny shithead. That was cool though. They're on it. Ah, you son of a bitch. Oh no. I really did that. I really did that. Guys, I don't have no DOAs with me. Wow. Well guys, kind of a slow morning, and I definitely saved some money on tackle this morning by not even bringing any freaking DOAs with me. So I got puffered, and the one black and gold that I had tied on is now gone. So we're switching over to the little voodoo shrimp. See what happens. Hopefully get on a couple good fish. Yeah, I did. I went far enough. I went far enough. Nice. That's what I'm talking about, baby. He's not a monster, but he's rare. Oh, I got him in his side. I got him in his side. That's why he feels like that. I'm sorry, buddy. You shouldn't have. You shouldn't have swung it, cut. You shouldn't have swung it, cut. I got you right in your fin there. I didn't mean to do that. The little guy right there. That's not the ones I saw. The ones I saw were way bigger than that. I knew it was going to be a red. Am I even recording? Yeah. I knew it had to have been a red. It was a nice red too. I hope he didn't swallow it though. Or if he did swallow it, please be 18. Please be 18. Please be 18. He didn't swallow it. Nice little red right there, guys. Nice little red right there. There's probably more of them in there. There's probably more of them in there. I'm gonna try to get one on the Ike dude here in a second. I'm gonna let him chill out. Got him. Feels like a, oh, yep, little sheepshead. Oh no, little black drum. Nice. Little black drum. Little black drum right here, guys. He spit the hook out at me. He is croaking up a storm right now. Check out this little guy. Sick little catch right there. Nice little black drum. That's cool. There's one of them right there. No. Okay, this one's going. These two are going back towards the tree. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. That's right in their path. Come on, baby, eat it. Eat it. You know you want to. It's right in your path. joking me, right? You guys went right and past it. You're not gonna eat it? You I think I got one. Yep, I got one. Here we go, baby. Nice red right here too, guys. Nice red right here. Big old red right here, guys. Nice one right here. Had to use the live shrimp, but we got him. Had to use the live shrimp, but we got him. Nice big old red right here, guys. He's got a big old tail on him. Hello. Net didn't want to open. Oh, because it's all tangled. That's not. Big red though here, guys. I think he swallowed it. Might end up having to keep this one because I think he swallowed it. Yeah, he might be over slot though. Actually, I think it's right in the corner of his mouth. Yes, sir. And it's right in the corner of his mouth. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Hell yeah. Oh, guys, that's insane right there. It wasn't even in his mouth. It wasn't even hooked in his mouth. It was just in there. That's wild, guys. That is wild. Woo. Nice one right here. Nice big old red right here, guys. Nice big red right there, guys. Okay, straighten out. Yeah, nice big old red right there, guys. Can't complain about that guy. Look at the size of that tail right there. That is a beautiful red right there. Beautiful. Definitely one of the ones that I've seen up in there. Nice big old redfish right there, guys. Nice one. Beautiful red. That's what we were after all damn day. That's what we were after all damn day. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh, nice grouper. Nice grouper on the tiny light. Damn, I bet he swallowed it though. Oh no, you got it wrapped around his mouth. You look like you would taste really good. I'm not gonna lie. You look like you would taste really, really good. I'm on my last hat cam battery here, so you guys know the deal. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.